Alright, Mr. Everything back again. Show you how car crazy I am. My dog Mustang D told me that it was a car show going down. You know what I'm saying? And I forgot about this little show that's over here. You know what I'm saying? So for all y'all old school muscle car lovers, got a treat for y'all. You know what I'm saying? My dog Hollow, I know he really like all the little old school muscle cars. But this for everybody. We back. Classics. Classics rolling. Start off at the beginning here. It's about to start raining pretty good. So hopefully we get some nice footage before we go. Nice. Love that Camaro right there. That's my style right there, that old school. Got the airbag S10. One of my favorites, you already know that Mopar, boy. Woo-hoo. Yeah. We're just gonna get a quick little roll by on some of these things for y'all. Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Hey, what's going on, man? Alright, ain't seen you in a minute. Alright, you're pretty good. Come to check your Mustang out. Oh man, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. And this thing right here does have those original pieces, that original motor that come with it. That's one of the bosses. G-Buddy. Love this right here. They playing some real old music right now. That's that music from that Christine movie, that horror movie about that car. That's the same thing that Christine was playing before she killed people. For all y'all that ain't familiar with that. Man, I love this Camaro right here. That nice RT right there. Man, I love that green, boy. That green is killing. Killing. Get that. Get that. Love that right there. Shit, having a big boy moment, mess around, go get some Skittles. Alright, going back down. Got the Mustangs representing like crazy today. Alright. Start all the way at the beginning with the Mustang. Got the GT. Older GTs. Got the heavy Chevy. Look at that right there. That's exactly what it say. Heavy Chevy.
And it's 5 years ago, I think, we started this Plaza Cruising. Looks more like a commercial. Well, when
Fox
Henry was
bodies.
over here, number Henry was okay.
Like that right there.
Race car guys, they come from Jackson Mark.
Got that V-dub. Them old school V-dubs. Just a quick walk by. Ain't finna get too deep in. Look at that, man. This is 10, yeah, that's a beefed up. It's a beefy one right there. Look at the motherfucking wheels. Thick tires, huh? Can't really see that great in there with the glare. be funny when you go to a car show because people be scared when you be looking at their cars. I'm like, if it's a car show, why would you be scared of somebody looking at your car? Like, these cars is all right, but they ain't nothing that you done seen on Gone in 60 Seconds. Ain't no Eleanor out here. Hopefully next year, my thing is to go ahead and put together a car show myself so I can show them how it's really done. You know what I'm saying? It's cool going to car shows and things like that, but you know, I'm gonna do it for the city and represent and try to put something together for next summer. So could really have a really nice car show.
They had that big old black rubber bumper.
There it is. A Challenger. Always a Challenger everywhere you go. Messing with me. I like this right here. This is nice. I like that. Look at that. Man. That's for Hollow right there. Hollow, if you get a chance to see that, that's your car right there. Look at that motor right there. Nice. Like that. And the Camaro is my car right there. Miss my Camaro. But anyway, that was just a little clip, little quick glimpse for all y'all. Real quick at this show. It was getting into some tractors in a minute, and I like all the cars and everything, but I ain't into the tractors. That's one thing you ain't gonna see me catching footage of, are the tractors. I'll leave that to some other YouTube channel. Bam, here it is again, the Challenger. I ended up buying it again. Look at that. Thing looking good. Down here, yeah. They got a lot of stuff, but there's a lot of people standing in front of them. So, let me see. There might be something else down here I can look at. Yeah, it's a lot of cars out here. Just doing a quick walk by before it start to raining too hard out here.
We've seen each other like the last 3 nights. We're going tomorrow.
All right, back to a couple vehicles. Back to a couple vehicles. There we go. All right, one more. As soon as they get up out the way. Bam, there it is right there. That's nice, like that. But anyway, it's about to start raining pretty hard. It's coming down. And I ain't trying to be out here smelling like I've been playing football all day. You know, I done left the house nice and fresh and clean. So, till the next time, this is your guy, Mr. Everything. Everything? Everything. About to be up out of here. Peace out.